Welcome to this 2D to 3D drawing tutorial series, where we turn simple 2D drawings into 3D models, step by step. The drawings are free to download. Link in the description. I'll show the same drawings in multiple software, including Fusion, Shaper 3D, and more to come. This video covers Drawing 2 in Autodesk Fusion. You can download the exercise drawings using the link in the description below. Open Fusion on your computer. Start a new sketch and place it on the front plane. This will automatically rotate your view to the front, as shown by the cube in the top right corner. Use the line tool and draw the outline as shown on screen. The exact dimensions are not important yet. We'll add them after the outline is complete. Next, go to Create and select the Dimension tool. Start with the long horizontal line and set it to 95 millimeters. You may notice the angled lines shift slightly. That's fine, we'll adjust them as we go. Use the Dimension tool again and select the vertical line. Set this to 12 millimeters. Now set the distance between the two horizontal lines to 4 millimeters. Next, set the distance between the two angled lines to 4 millimeters. Set the left section width to 4 millimeters as well. Now set the angle to 40 degrees. Set the length of the angled section to 75 millimeters. And that's it. Your sketch is complete. Click Finish Sketch. Use the cube or your mouse to rotate the view. Next, use Extrude to create the body. Select the contour. Drag the arrow, or enter a value, and extrude it to 50 millimeters. Click OK. Perfect. You've created a 3D model. The last step is to add fillets, also called radius. Click Fillet and select the two inner edges. Set them to 2 millimeters. Click Fillet again and select the two outer edges. Set them to 6 millimeters. Perfect. Well done, you've created a phone stand. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. More drawings are available, so keep working through the series. Once you finish them all, try the same exercises in another software, see my playlists. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.